Hi! In front of me is the DOOGEE S86 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add face data to this smartphone. Firstly, go into Settings. Now choose Face ID over here and enter your current login method. After that, you need to read the instructions and choose Next at the bottom right corner. Then keep your face in frame and wait for 100% mark. After that, you can click on this switcher to enable or disable face unlock feature, and when you're ready, click on Home button. Now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!